on, watch people. Skip at Watching SRQ here today to take a look at my new Timex Command watch. But before we get started, wristwatch check. Today I am wearing my vintage Seiko 4004 quartz from 1977, I believe it is, with the Motorcraft designation. I really like this one, picked it up for a real good deal in remarkably good condition, and I'm sure I'll be giving it a full review at some point in the future. Really dig it. But down to today's topic, I'm here to do an unboxing and first look at the Timex Command X Red Bull cliff diving watch. Timex had announced a new line of Command watches, a couple months ago, and took a look, liked them, but the ones I was most drawn to had blacked out displays, and so I held back. And then I saw about 3 weeks ago, they announced the Timex Command X Red Bull cliff diving watch. And although not being a big cliff diving fan or extreme sports fan, I am a big watch fan, so I liked it and I ordered it up, and here it is. So, on the outer sleeve, there's pretty much just the usual kind of barcode and tells you where it was made, movement in the Philippines, strap in China, barcode. It says Expedition. I assume this is still technically part of their Expedition line. But yeah, boring. Off that sleeve comes. Oh, so the top of the box, really nice. It's got a Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series logo and then Timex at the bottom. That's really nice. Really well printed. As I said, I'm not a big Red Bull cliff diving fan, but that's a really cool logo. So yeah, I can totally dig that. Rest of the box is pretty much the usual kind of, certifications and copyrights and whatnot there on the bottom of the back. And so yeah, let's look inside. So top slides off. Still don't get to see. They've protected it well with a nice little styrofoam cover. You can see the inside of the red box there. Let's go ahead and pull this guy out. And there in the bottom, the usual paperwork that you see with watches, with user information and all kinds. I'm sure it'll detail the features in various languages and whatnot. I'm sure I'll have a thrill reading that, or not. So, put that back in there and set that aside, and let's get down to the watch, huh? So, there he is. All right. So yeah, definitely a lot like the Expedition Grid Shock that preceded it. It's on a little fabric-covered pillow here. Let's get that guy peeled off and slam dunked into the box. So yeah, I think the thing that really drew me in here was the fact that no negative display. I didn't want another negative display in the collection. I really like what they did with the red anodized aluminum accents. So really, really nice. Give you some basic specs here. This is a 54 millimeters wide, which is just huge, and a round watch would be ridiculous. It is 16 millimeters thick. The strap has a repeat of that Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series logo, or World, let's go back to the box. World Series, yes indeed. Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series. I'm sure some of you have probably come here from the Red Bull cliff diving world and would know more about that than I, and I'm going to have to do some research to find out about it. But yeah, it's looking good. I'm looking forward to getting this on the wrist and checking it out, seeing how it wears. The rubber strap looks to be pretty comfortable, as straps have gone these days. Open sesame, hello. Little rubber keeper there, metal buckle. I don't see anything super special about this buckle here. Take a look at the back. A bunch of information about the watch on the back, as always. The Red Bull Cliff Diving World Series logo again. Timex shock resistant, stainless steel back. Go into more detail in my full review. Yeah. So in any case, I'm pretty happy. This looks great. I'm looking forward to wearing it. It's getting hot around these parts in the summer, and a lot of things like this, I kind of leave those protected, get them all hot and sweaty, and I don't trust the water resistance of a lot of vintage watches, no matter what kind of condition they're in. So this looks like a great summer watch. So in any case, like I said, I'll follow this up with a full review, and if you have any questions about it you'd like me to address during the review, please put them down in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And this has been Skip with a first look at the Timex Command X Red Bull Cliff Diving Watch. Peace out.